Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Chinese companies delisting in the United States, possibly looking at the SET. I got to thinking of making this video after reading a recent article from Bloomberg Tax, bloombergtax.com. Article is titled, China's State-Owned Giants to Delist from U.S. Amid Audit Spat. Quoting directly, 5 of China's largest state-owned companies announced plans to delist from U.S. exchanges as the two countries struggle to come to an agreement allowing American regulators to inspect audits of Chinese businesses. Quoting further, China Life Insurance Co., PetroChina Company, and China Petroleum and Chemical Corporation all disclosed their intentions to delist in statements published in quick succession on Friday, along with Aluminum Corp., or the way the British would say, the Aluminium Corp., of China, and Sinopec Shanghai Petrochemical Company. So, interesting. A lot going on in that article. Urge those who are watching this video interested in this topic, maybe check that out. Something maybe some of these Chinese companies haven't thought about if they're really seeking, they wish to have listing outside of China. The SET is right there. I'm sure Hong Kong is probably being heavily looked at. But, the SET, the Stock Exchange of Thailand, that's maybe another option. I'm not necessarily promoting it or suggesting it, but not a lot. I find it rather interesting that oftentimes Bangkok and specifically Thailand generally just kind of flies under the radar. People don't really ever look at it when discussing things like financial matters, financial transactions. But Thailand's a major hub of business here in the Southeast Asia region, and so it's not outside the realm of possibility that you could see major corporations looking to list on the SET. I just don't see why you wouldn't think of that. Or at least think about it for a moment. I'm not saying it's a foregone conclusion, but I just don't think people often look at Thailand in that way, or especially in an international context. People don't, operators in sort of the international finance arena don't really look to Thailand. But Thailand's got a significant economy, and for a lot of different reasons, it may not be a terrible idea to at least give Thailand a look, specifically the SET, for listing of many different companies internationally throughout the world on the Stock Exchange of Thailand.